What's going on, traders? Gonna do a recap here, trading the NQ per usual. Pretty good day today, 305 in the green, 281 after commissions. As always, these trades were taken live, except for these last two because I traded those based off the FOMC numbers and Fed Pal talking, etc. So into the morning, 9:30, had a nice little dip here, and we ended up getting long. Again, these are pretty common trades that you see me take. I'm just looking for reversal type trades, and I'm just getting in, looking for that little bit of a push up through that key area on the candle over candle or candle under candle. Same difference here. We were looking to get short, and it just missed us. We actually took it off, almost break even, because when we hit the flatten button, we got a pretty bad fill. Then it actually went down, would have filled us where our initial order was, and then shot up. So not too mad about the trade. If it's not feeling right, I'm just looking to get out right away, especially if I can still get a profit on the trade and not take the full loss based off of that previous candle. Another one here was really kind of bullish at this point because we were moving up. So waited for a dip, looked for the break of that candle on the way back up, and got that one. Actually was almost perfect. As you can see, we got the fill, and then it ended up making the bigger move down. So this one, we were looking for the long position as well. This was, I'm not exactly sure what my basis on this one was because it looks like maybe it was a short. I'm going to assume it was a short. Not exactly sure why. Maybe the candle was forming and we got in. I'd have to go back and watch that one. This one doesn't look like these three where it was such an obvious setup. But if we scroll over, you're going to see that we went pretty sideways all day, and then out of nowhere, here's the FOMC announcement. And we didn't trade this at all because honestly, I didn't really like the price action, and I was just kind of letting it be. We finally made a top, started to have a pullback, and at this point, I was kind of just looking for what I thought was an extended pullback, which is what we got back down into that first initial area where we were going sideways. It started to feel like it wanted to bounce. So once we started putting our orders out above the previous candle, and we ended up getting that fill. Started to come up, and again, just looking for the waves of the market, right? So it came up and we started putting our orders underneath the candle, looking for the first candle to make a new low, and that's exactly what we ended up getting right here. So took those two trades. I'm just going to be happy with that. I'm not really liking how we're just kind of bleeding back up. The odds are it'll probably end up back up towards the highs, which is perfectly fine. I'm done kind of guessing where this market's going. We're, I think, really close to all-time highs on the SPY. We are, I believe, at all-time highs on the NQ. Just mind-boggling. October 26th on has been absolutely an insane run for the record books, and that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate that support. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. You can find me in Discord or on the Twitter, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.